Okay, I found another church. This one's a Georgian church. I don't think I've ever been in a Georgian church. And it's North Yorkshire. There's Ravenscar over there. And just below it, Robin Hood's Bay. Because North Yorkshire, we might be able to get in and have a little look. Ooh. It's not sunny enough to tell the time. A lot of single women. I need to move here. But they're all dead. So maybe I don't. Tell you what, it's nice and airy in here. Well, look at all the graves. Oh, can I go upstairs where the organ is? Let's have a go. Oh, you can go to the upstairs pews. Wow, look at that. It's a very cool church, and I've never been in a Georgian church. Whoop. I nearly had a nice trip. What's this? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's how they work. You pump it with your foot. That must have been hard work playing that. You must have been pumping away. Wow, I've played a church organ now. I wonder if that's why it feels airy. They've got air vents in the loft because it feels really airy in here. It doesn't feel dank, it doesn't feel cold, which a lot of churches do. And it's got loads of windows, like really big windows, so there's plenty of light in, so it doesn't feel dark, so you don't need any lighting. I like that church, it's good. Nearly all the gravestones are the same shape. I like the little ghosty shapes. Must have been a thing for the times. I can't remember when the Georgian period is. If I can read one of the graves, I might get an idea. Very weathered. Struggle to see. Beautiful graveyard, beautiful church.